Hi, this is Abul Kalam. This is Aptitude Learning Kit based part 10. Aptitude should be done daily or should be done at regular practice so that we can achieve easily. Otherwise, aptitude will not be that much easy. Each slide 20 seconds. 5 males and 4 females are seated in a row. In how many ways? They sit such that no male and no female sit next to each other. So how can we start? Male, female, male, female, male, female, male, like that. So we can start because one extra male is there, or female, male, female, male, female, male, like that also we can start. Okay, so this is 2 ways they have given. So men can be arranged in 5 factorial ways and women can also be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Total ways equal to 5 factorial into 4 factorial. So answer is 5 factorial into 4 factorial. The next one. After striking the floor, a rubber ball rebounds to 4/5 of the height. Find the total distance that it travels before coming to the rest if it is dropped from a height of 120 meters. Let me read it again. After striking the floor, a rubber ball rebounds 4/5 of the height. The total distance traveled it before coming to the rest, it dropped from the height of 120 meters. What is 4/5? 4 plus 5 total is 9. Okay, take that is very important. So just multiply 120 into 9, 1080. So the value how much it rebounds is very important. With that we can do some shortcuts. Okay, I have done one of it here. Find the number of zeros in the expression 15 into 32 into 25 into 22 into 41 into 73 into 98 into 112 into 125. How to do this? As I said in the previous video, count the number of 5s in each and every numbers. Okay, 15, 5 into 3 is 15. 25, 5 into 5 is 25. 125, 5 into 5 into 5. So once we count the 5s, 6 5s are there. Okay, total 6 5s are there. Hence there will be 6 zeros at the end. And this also depends upon the number of 2s. Okay, now for this answer is 6 zeros at the end. Thanks for watching this video.